How you doing, guys? This is Jos. Welcome one more time to the channel. But if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, also click the bell notification so that way you know when we got new videos out there. So we want to share with you guys a few news that we have, and I know that lately we have not been posting videos. So the first news is that we got a new location. So we just moved our warehouse from our location from Davenport. We moved it to Kissimmee, Florida. Now we got a bigger warehouse here to better serve everyone, and soon we're going to have a showroom with the printers that we sell, the supplies that we sell, that for everyone that is local can come, because we have many local customers that have been putting orders online but not able to come and see the supplies or even the printers because they want to start DTF printing. So that's the main reason, and also because now we are serving UV DTF supplies as well, and soon we're going to start offering a new technology that is coming out to the market, but for that we're going to save it for later. That's the first. The second one is because we have been lately, we were last week in Phoenix, Arizona. We were doing the DTF Expo 2024, the first one in their class, that instead of being with embroidery or maybe a screen print, all of that, it was all about DTF and UV DTF. So over there we found professional and other companies that we share one common goal, that is to serve everyone in the DTF industry. So we're going to start posting here the DTF for beginning section that we did over there, and then the couple of videos that we did and talk about with different companies, so you can see what happened if you missed that one. And if you were there and you missed me, don't worry about maybe the next one we can meet each other, because they're going to make a DTF Expo 2025, so that one's going to be next year. Third news is good one. It was bad, but now it's good. So I don't know if you knew about the DTF trademark that have been around for an issue for a year. So this company from California tried to register DTF and UV DTF as their own brand, when those terms are just descriptive, describing the technology. So they're not brands, so no company can hold a brand against those, because the law in the United States said that if something describing something, that one cannot be a brand. So for some reason this company, I don't know what happened, trying to register the brand for some reason, and they failed. So the good news is that DTF and UV DTF is abandoned, so it's safe for everyone to use it. We Kingdom DTF, we were fighting for 6 months or more with this, and then we partnered with another company that you may know in Arizona. We partnered with them in a way, to try to fight this and keep DTF and UV DTF open for everyone. So that's the main, the good news that I have in this video, guys, and that's why we have not been posting, busy shipping every day. DTF supplies, UV DTF supply. We have a new printer coming up. Instead of the 912 was running a Sunjam board. We're not going to sell that model anymore, but we're going to start selling the 983 DTF printer that is going to continue being a dual head. That one is going to be powered by a Hudson board. It's a better board. It's going to be using still using the Catlink digital factory, well, not Ferry. And then we're going to bring a 24 inches printer also, as well as UV DTF printers, and a few extra things that we're cooking. You can say that we're cooking. So thank you so much, guys, for your support. If you were in the DTF Expo 2024, thank you for that support. When I did the class over there, it was completely full. We were talking about 150 people, and when I continue seeing people entering the room, and they were standing on the back. So there was 150 seats over there. It was full, but then on the back it was full too. So I appreciate it so much, guys, for that support. And I want you to continue learning about DTF, you know, DTF, UV-DTF in this channel. We're going to continue posting videos about that and showing you how to print on all of that. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it so much. This is Joss. As always, I keep saying, keep printing. So see ya.